Hey everyone, welcome back to Thomas Tips. Last week we took a look at Manus AI. Today I'm excited to introduce you to Genspark Super Agent, another AI agent designed to execute real-world tasks. To use Genspark, you need to sign up. The application has both paid and free version. The free users receive 200 credits daily, which is sufficient for testing text-based and coding tasks. For more intensive tasks like video generation or advanced workflows, you might consider the paid plan, which starts at $24.99 per month for 10,000 credits. So let's dive in. To test it out, I have given it exactly the same prompt as the Manus AI to see how it compares. The prompt is to create a persuasive landing page for a fictional AI-powered energy audit service called EcoAudit Tallinn, aimed to small and medium-sized businesses in Tallinn. While it's working on that, let's explore what makes Genspark Super Agent stand out. Genspark Agent runs on a mixture of agents architecture, combining 8 large language models and more than 80 specialized toolkits. This means it can plan, schedule, analyze, generate, research, and even make phone calls for you. Whether you need to book an appointment, code a landing page, draft a business plan, or organize your calendar, Genspark can handle it. You can use Genspark for personal productivity, such as booking services, scheduling meetings, planning travel, business tasks such as automate research, generate reports, or debug scripts, content creation such as create videos, images, blog posts, or social media content, and customer support such as make calls to service providers to resolve issues, and all that with just a well-crafted prompt. Some of the pros of Genspark are autonomous execution, massive toolkit library, phone call ability, free and easy use, modular multi-agent system, and interactive feedback. On the downside, the daily credit cap can be burned through quickly. The agent may feel a bit overwhelming at first. Some features like voice calls may be region-specific or require extra setup, and tools like Manus AI might be better known but not necessarily more capable. Genspark has now completed the landing page for EcoAudit Tallinn. You can review each step it took, research competitors, generating content, and structuring the layout intelligently. As I used the same prompt for Manus, I have added both examples of the page side by side. While Manus did a good job, we can see that the version Genspark created is more refined and more appealing to the eye. It has more detail, the positioning is better, and the overall layout looks much more convenient. The final result looks great, and I barely had to intervene. That's the power of Genspark. Besides this, Genspark can be used for image and video generation, as well as AI search engine. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Thomas Tips for more deep dives into powerful AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.